Good evening, students. So welcome back to our channel, Ach'z City and Ach'z here. Actually, I thought of doing this video to make you clear regarding how to write or what about the structure of IELTS essay. Because now we are doing writing correction service, and while going through these papers early, I came to know that most of them don't know about the exact structure of IELTS essay. So I just want to make you clear regarding the essay structure. Okay, so it will not be a long video and all. I will just say in step by step what are things you need to include if it is an IELTS essay means. Okay, from our schooling itself we started to write essays and all. That time onwards we are following one structure, that is introduction, body paragraph and conclusion. That will be the structure, right? For IELTS essay also this will be the main concept: introduction, body paragraphs. You can write 2 to 3 body paragraph and also conclusion. Okay, so the same thing. But the thing is what you need to add under each and everything. So that is the difference happen here. So first of all, starting from introduction, you need to write a general statement. But now it's count as an optional thing because most of the students are just wasting their time by thinking what will be the general statement, what I need to write and all. That's why this general statement is completely optional now, but it is always impressive to write with general statements. You can see that band score difference if you are writing a general statement or writing without this general statement. But we have some rules if you are writing general statement. In the sense, it should not be any proverb or any question type and all. You need to define something. You can just take some keyword from the question and try to give some definition or some explanation related to the keyword. That will be your general statement. After general statement, you need to paraphrase your question. It's not like academic task 1, you need to go through each and every word and put synonym and all, because here the question will be a little bit lengthy. So you can just read out the question and convert that into your own wordings. Okay, that time if you know the synonym and all means, try to put and convert into your own words. Okay, but it should not be deviated from the exact meaning. You can add something or you can just cut off your statement, no problem, but it should be in the same meaning like the question prompt. Okay, so that's the second thing, you need to paraphrase your question. Then after that, thesis statement. Thesis statement means if they asked for your opinion means you need to write your opinion. Okay, this is not needed in all the type of essays. If they are asked for your opinion, in case of this opinion type essay or discussion with opinion, you need to give your opinion now. So that time you need to add thesis statement. Okay, then after that, outline sentence. Outline sentence in this sense, generally you need to talk. What will be your upcoming plan? What you are going to give in the coming body paragraph? Generally you can write the outline sentence. No need to write these all points I'm going to give, these are the reasons I'm going to give. No need to specifically mention about the points. Generally you can give the outline sentence. Here in this essay I'm going to deal with this thing, I'm going to give reasons behind my opinion, I'm going to give the advantages and disadvantages. That's it. Okay, so these are the 4 things coming under introduction part. Then moving on to the body paragraph. You can divide your body paragraph into 2 or maximum 3 body paragraph, because in some essays third body is mandatory and in some other essays we don't want to write a third body paragraph and it's completely optional. So accordingly you can arrange it into 2 or maximum 3. So the structure of body paragraph will be like starting with the topic sentence. In topic sentence you can write the main idea, what will be the main concept of that particular paragraph. If you are going to give the reason means first reason, that's your topic sentence. So topic sentence means the main idea. Then you need to write supporting sentences, that means explanation. You need to give explanation for your main point, why you are saying like that. You need to explain that properly with the help of examples. So that is the structure of body paragraph. You need to write main concept, explain it out with the help of example. Example is very mandatory in all the type of essays and in each and every body paragraph. Without example, you are not allowed to write any body paragraph. Now moving on to the conclusion part, 2 things you need to do. Restate your opinion and restate the main idea. So if you already given your thesis statement, that means if you already mentioned your opinion in this sense, try to restate your opinion at the end. or else you can restate the main points from the body paragraph. So that is the two things coming under this conclusion part. Anyway, try to avoid new ideas in conclusion. Conclusion in the sense, it's the time to restate everything. No need to give any new or fresh idea in the conclusion part. Okay, so that's it regarding the structure of IELTS essay. For according to the question, according to the types or according to the way of asking, we need to arrange the content. The difference will be there to the content, not for the structure. Okay, so this will be the structure for IELTS essay. If you have any confusion regarding IELTS essay structure, means try to watch out this video clearly. And you can just comment below what all things you understood and what about the structure you understood from this video. So thank you so much for watching this video and thank you for your time here. So all the very best for your IELTS preparation. Stay tuned for more videos and materials, tutorials for your preparation. Stay tuned.